Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change interpreters in PyCharm. Let's begin. So you have successfully downloaded and installed PyCharm on your Windows. I want you to open it up. From here, click on this button. All right. Go to settings, click on Python. Click on Python and you will select interpreter. From here, you should be able to easily click on the drop down and select any version or interpreters you currently have. So you can easily switch in between. But if not, you can always add a new one. Click on local, generate new. Just make sure to rename this. All right. Select these options, inherit packages from base interpreter, make available to all projects. So this is completely optional. It depends on your preference. Click on OK. Then, of course, you can easily click on this button drop down again and select your appropriate interpreter. Click on apply, OK, and you are basically done. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.